It is an annoying thing if we insert our pen drive or if we connect our pen drive to the USB port of our Windows 11 computer, then we'll see that it is not showing anything. So right now on my computer, this is a Windows 11 computer, I inserted the pen drive, but I am not able to see the pen drive. So basically it's a common issue with the flash drive, especially the flash drive is very old, or if you use it many times, or if you disconnect without properly disconnecting the device, that means the pen drive, you will get this issue. So in this video I will show you how you can make this visible or format it properly. The pen drive is already inserted on my Windows 11 computer. So then after inserting the pen drive, basically we need to click this search and start typing cmd. Cmd means command prompt. So we'll see this command prompt is there. Just right click on top of the command prompt, and then you will find this type of menu option. One of the menu option is run as administrator. We just need to choose this thing by clicking here. I'm going to click here and the command prompt window will be open shortly. But before that, it will give us this type of warning. Just press yes button and then you will see the command prompt is there. Now let's see whether the pen drive is there or not. I already told you that the pen drive is already connected with this device, but it's not showing anything. So here we need to type on command. Basically using that, this is a utility command. I'm going to type diskpart. We need to type diskpart, this command, and then we have to press the enter key. Once we press the enter key, it will show some details like Microsoft diskpart version. This is the version, and on computer, this is my computer name, me-11. Now it will prompt like this way, diskpart, and there is a right angular bracket like this, and here it is ready to accept any type of command. So here at first we need to figure out whether is there really any pen drive or not. So I am seeing only one drive is there. So let's check whether is there any other drive or not. So I'm going to type on command list and then disk. So list disk. This means how many disks are there, and list means it will list. So after that, just press enter key once you type there, and very soon you will see this type of thing. Right now this is my like a regular hard disk, which is SSD hard disk, and it is like 1 terabyte of size. And disk 1, this is the pen drive, which is like 64 gigabyte, but you know, sometimes it has lower value than 64. That's why it is showing this thing online. So 2 disks, okay, but here we are seeing only 1 disk. So let's see how we can make this thing format properly and make it visible in this Windows computer. So at first we need to select the pen drive. So this is the pen drive, which is disk 1, right? So we have to type the command select. Select means this is a select command. Now we need to mention who is disk we want to select, right? So select what? Select disk, right, from this list. So I'm going to type disk, select disk, and then we have to mention who is disk. So here I'm saying like 0 means this hard disk, 1 means this pen drive. For your case, you will see a couple of things like there. Just choose which is your pen drive. Based on that, just choose that. So I'm going to choose 1. So select disk 1. So I'm going to select this disk, which is the pen drive, and then after that hit enter key of your keyboard. Now you will find this type of message like disk 1 is now the selected disk, okay, which is our pen drive, but still it's not visible. So we have to type on command. It is called clean, which will clean the enter thing. So I'm going to press enter after typing this thing, and it is show like this: diskpart successfully succeed in cleaning the disk. That means it is able to clean the entire disk, which is 64 gigabyte, and this is a pen drive. Now we need to create a partition. Once we clean the disk, then we need to create the partition. We can create the partition by typing the command create. So we are just, this is natural language text, right? Create what? Then we need to tell partition. I just type create partition, then a space. What type of partition? Generally there are a couple of types of partition, like primary partition or some other thing. Okay, just type primary and then hit enter key. So once you type this command create partition primary, then you will get this message like diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. Okay, but still it's not visible, right? So what we did, we selected the disk, then we cleaned it, and then we create the partition. Now we need to tell what type of file system it should be. Okay, so we have to mention like this way, like format. We're formatting this with some file system, then it will be visible, right? So fs means file system equal, and then we have to mention like hot type. I'm going to create the ntfs file system for this thing, and if we want to make it quicker, then we can type the command quick. So what is the command we should need to write? So after creating the partition, this is the command, right? Format space fs, that means file system, equal to ntfs, then space quick, which will be creating the partition very quickly, and then hit enter key of your keyboard. And here I'm seeing that here it is showing Microsoft diskpart version 10, this thing. Okay, so here I think let me rewrite the command. I think I typed wrongly. F format, then fs file system equal to, then ntfs, then quick, quick, right? Quick, yes. Then we have to type, hit enter key. I mistyped the this command. There is a mistake basically I did. Okay, so here we are saying after typing this command, it is showing like 100% completed. This part successfully formatted the volume. Okay, it's successfully formatted. Now let's assign the drive letter. It still is not visible, right? If we refresh, we'll see nothing is there. Now we need to assign a drive letter like C or D, X, Y, something like that. Just type assign, and it will automatically assign the next drive like C, D, something like that. Okay, and then you will see that this part successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point, and you will see that pen drive is there. Okay, so in this way you can easily like if any Windows is unable to show you the pen drive, then you can easily make the pen drive visible like this way, and it's very simple. We just need to type all this command. So once it is there, basically we can close this thing, but the best way is you can type exit command to close the diskpart. Okay, so it is showing like leaving diskpart, that means diskpart is closed. Then we can type again exit to close this compound, or you can close press this close button to close the thing. So I'm going to type exit and then press enter key. Exit, and the compound window will be opened closed shortly, and here we can access the pen drive easily. So this is our pen drive or flash drive, and that's it guys. In this way we can easily enable or make visible if the pen drive is not visible by default on our Windows 11 computer or Windows 8 computer or any version of Windows computer. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this video will be helpful if your pen drive has this type of issue, and if you still face any issue or any problem, please put it in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next.